All right. So I get asked quite often, how do I find probate leads? There are a lot of people who want to serve at a high level and are interested in learning how to find folks who need help navigating the probate process, particularly in Durham, North Carolina. So let's jump in and I'll show you a couple of thoughts. So probate is the legal process for settling the affairs in the state of the party. If someone passes away with assets in their name or they have debt that is in their name, then legally they have to go through the probate process in North Carolina to be able to handle those situations. Since they have passed away, someone has to be legally appointed to be able to handle those in a legally recognized way. If there is a last will and testament, it has to go through probate so it can be legally executed. Now, there are ways to avoid the probate process if assets are trust and other legal provided. Reach out to a vetted estate professional for advice on that. Reach out to us and we can point you in the right direction. I am not an attorney or a financial advisor, not giving legal advice, just giving my opinions and can connect you with a network of folks who can really help you streamline the process and understand the process even more. Again, probate is a public affair, so it's open to all. So as far as the information that's involved in the probate process, when notify the court the person has passed away and ready to instate a personal representative, the court will open the letters beginning the probate process. Now, if there's a will in place, then an executor will be appointed. If there's no will in place, then an administrator will be appointed to administrate the actual estate. The executor and administrators are often called personal representatives, regardless of their actual legal designation. There are really three main places to find probate leads. There are probably several more, but the three ones that to focus on are actually receiving court data from the state probate. Estate referrals are a great source of resources. And you can go to data companies that are out there to find your probate leads. Now, if you go to the court office, I highly recommend you visit your county clerk's office. Be very kind and pathetic and personable to the folks that are working there, from the support staff to the honorable judge and everyone that's walking around, because these are the people that are going to help you help other people, and they are vitally important. Ask for a date range of probate cases. Perhaps you want a week's worth, perhaps you want a month worth, perhaps a specific date or time. Go after that, and usually they'll be able to pull that for you. Now, every court office is a county office, handle things a little differently. So that's why it's highly encouraged that you go down there and check them out. Bring some donuts and all after you get to know them, and you will really find it works wonders. It's helped me tremendously be able to connect with many people that otherwise would have been obstacles to be able to make that connection. Now, when you're looking through the data, it's really important that you get involved in that, because they'll help you become more and more understanding of what the probate process is, and you can help more people. But you're going to write down the personal representative's contact information, hold a phone number there, address, in the attorney information there, the file number, review the case, including the inventory, to see what type of assets are handled or what issues or changes or challenges they have. Check and see if they have claims. And then add it to your marketing system and begin contacting them through whatever your marketing tools or systems are, whether you're cold calling, sending out letters, text messages. I highly recommend that you do call. That's going to eventually going to have to get someone on the phone. Now, attorney referrals, attend estate planning network events. Really dig into it, understand this can be of value. You can facilitate educational seminars and interview with estate attorneys to help them basically market and spread the word of what they're doing. And it positions you as a thought expert. You don't have to assume to know everything, but if you're creating the space for people to learn and to gain value, that is immensely important. It's actually what I try to do with my Life and Transitions Experts podcast. Drop in on attorneys and make sure that you are being very, very kind to the support staff, the paralegals, and everyone, because again, that's just an important thing to do, but it also goes a long way in establishing important relationships. And you do have the time with the attorneys. Make sure that you're using the time wisely. Make sure you are making it about them, not begging or asking for referrals, but hey, what type of probate work do you do? What type of work are you looking to do? And then you find ways to add value. Yes, and send them qualified referrals, making sure that you're sending the type of work that they want to receive. Great ways to receive probate leads. Explain to them what you do. You help with the house and the stuff. You help them actually get paid, because quite often they may not get paid until that house or big asset, which often so help me understand how you are bringing value to their clients and to them, and help making sure they get business and get paid more efficiently is important. And data companies. I love all the leads. It's a great resource. They actually go to different counties and scrape the data so that they can send probate leads directly to you. It can be pretty expensive, but it's pretty awesome. Foreclosure Daily, it's all one word, Foreclosure Daily. I should have put .com, but Foreclosure Daily is also an awesome place. It has probate leads. It has a lot of distress, divorce, tax liens and things of that nature. But again, they do have probate leads. And if you just put in a Google search, you may even look up, review the top 10 places to get probate leads in. Be ready, because there's going to be a flood of them coming to you. So that's some places to find probate leads. I hope that you go out there and actually do it. However you do it, I hope that you do take a holistic approach. I actually had the good fortune to work with training like all the leads, as well as the amazing Chad Corbett's work for probate mastery, which has helped me establish and help me move forward to understand that when you are in probate cases, you can't approach them as if you're just trying to buy the property. Sometimes there's not even property involved, and there's still ways that you can serve. And that's it, by the concierge holistic approach, making sure that you understand that the family may need help in other areas, such as receiving contracts or helping sell personal property, or deal with moving. There are a lot of different moving parts that you can help and be a part of, and that's just going to help you that and more, because that's how the world works. Yeah. Anyways, I'm at home recording here. Have a very exciting day. Can't wait to go out and get it. I hope you have a very exciting day. Hope you hit that like and subscribe. Help me out. Yeah, that's it. Rising tides lifts all sails.